correct to say that the issuance of a subpoena merely compels the production of records and does not by itself amount to a ruling that those records are admissible, relevant, or entitled to evidentiary weight, Your Honor.
Pagkabanggit nyo na yung nature ng search warrant very invasionary, di ba? Because it requires that pasukin yung bahay, halugugin yung gamit. Pero hindi kaya invasive din yung paghalughog ng records? Is that not extremely parallel? I mean, is it not very similar in the sense that what is being questioned now are the very essence of somebody's savings, earnings? So, is it the point of view of the prosecution na iba yun? Hindi ba invasive yun?
After a careful examination of the records requested, the court finds that the requested documents meet the requirements set forth above. They are reasonably described, readily identifiable, prima facie relevant, and material to the allegations under Article 2.
Dito lang nga po na makikita ng naging pagbabanta ng ating Vice President ay nagkaroon po ng tinatawag natin na epekto. It is a kinetic force na kung saan yung mga nakarinig ng kanyang pagbabanta ay gumagaya na rin at nagbabanta. Lalong-lalo na sila ay nabibilang sa isang pamilya. That is the very purpose of the task force, to monitor all those threats na lumalabas po ngayon at sa araw-araw nga ay meron po tayong nakikitang threat sa social media, sa mga pahayag po during the mga rallies ay tuloy-tuloy po na banta sa ating pong Pangulo na umaabot na po na banta sa ating national security. Una na po rito yung pattern of violence po. Pong gravity at seriousness po ng isa pong pangyayari. Yung pong identity and identifying characteristic po ng involved po doon sa pangyayari. Yung kakayanan po at kapasidad po ng nabanggit po na subject. Yung pong tinatawag na motive o motibo at intent po ng personality po. As part of our investigation, kami po ay nakakakuha ng mga dokumento related po dito sa aming inimbestigan kung saan we got hold of affidavit of ito pong dating police ni si Arturo Las Canas na self-confessed member ng DDS na kung saan doon po sa kanyang affidavit na yan ay ating pong nakita at inilalarawan po at sinasabi nitong ni Arturo Las Canas na ang Vice Presidente mismo ay kasama doon sa Oplan Tokhang, isa sa mga arkitekto ng Oplan Tokhang. At dito rin po niya sinabi na instead na barilin at patayin para hindi nalalaman ng media, ay kidnapin na lamang yung mga subject po, mga shabu users o kaya yung pong ibang gumagawa ng krimen o nagtitinda ng droga at ibaw na lang po sa isang quarry. Na kung saan natagpuan po literal nitong Laod Quarry na mayroon pong mga biktima ng extrajudicial killings.
But in the event that they use this document, we manifest, Your Honor, upon perusal that such document is unsigned and unnotarized, Your Honor. This is an affidavit. So in other words, without the proper notarization and without the proper signature, then it is a mere scrap of paper. We cannot allow this witness to build his testimony based on this document. this is highly improper for, with all due respect, Your Honor, for this honorable court to allow the reading of a portion of an affidavit that was not authored by this witness. He doesn't know, he doesn't have personal knowledge, again, and he's not competent to testify as to the truth or falsity of these statements. It is purely hearsay and excluded by the evidence and the rules of court.
Nagsimula po kami sa maraming pangalan. We are narrowing it down already to less than 20 individuals at may mga pangalan na po kami nito. Sa katunayan po, yung iba po rito, kausap na po namin yung kanilang mga pamilya o kakilala. That's why sinabi ko baka in 3 to 6 months, we can finally identify kung sino yung person.
Bilang pakiusap po sa prosecution, pwede po ba na sana ay maiwasan natin ang pagbibigay ng witness na may kasong perjury? Hindi na po ito si Las Cañas. Ang sinasabi ko po ay yung dalawang mahal nating witness, si Attorney Jeremy Loto at si NBI Agent Talilong, na sa mga oras na ito ay may kasong hinaharap na perjury. Ang nasasakdal po kasi dito ay ibinoto ng 32 million na tao.